Here's a psychology fact you're not ready for. The person keeping you at arm's length isn't protecting themselves from you. They're addicted to the power of withholding. Psychologists call this strategic emotional withdrawal. And once you understand it, you'll see why some people in your life never let you get close, why they pull back right when things feel good, and why they seem calm while you're falling apart. This pattern doesn't just affect your relationships, it shapes your entire sense of self-worth. But here's where it gets even worse. Psychology says emotional distance isn't always about fear of intimacy. For some people, it's a control mechanism. When they withhold warmth, attention, or clarity, they get to watch you chase. They get to feel needed without being vulnerable. Your confusion becomes their certainty. Your anxiety becomes their stability. And this next part explains why you keep going back. This happens because your brain craves resolution. When someone pulls away without explanation, your mind goes into overdrive trying to fix it. You start questioning yourself. You overanalyze every interaction. Meanwhile, they feel in control because they've created distance without consequence. Your brain thinks if you just try harder, things will change. But the reality is, their distance isn't a puzzle to solve. It's a choice they're making. If that hit you, good. It means you needed to hear it. If you want to break this cycle, start here. Stop interpreting someone's emotional distance as a challenge to win them over. When someone shows you through their actions that closeness makes them uncomfortable, believe them. The mental trick that actually works: match their energy, then observe. If they don't pursue reconnection, you have your answer. Real connection doesn't require you to beg for scraps of attention.